Hi guys, this is Young, and today I'm gonna do a little investigation of DJI consumer level cameras. Mavic Air, Mavic Mini, or Osmo Pocket. I better not drop this again. Mavic Air can be directly connected to mobile phone, but Mavic Mini will need to be connected via RC. So for Osmo Pocket that I'm using right now, you have a lot more function on land. So you can do a lot more interesting stuff while you are sort of walking like this. But of course the drones are supposed to fly. I hope you just got the analogy there. So I hope you guys found this video quite useful in terms of seeing like the different camera colors, different camera functions of like the consumer level DJI product. I mean, I do actually hope it's a bit more consistent in terms of the quality. I mean, of course you do pay different price, but in terms of like color and so on, Mavic Mini color seems a little bit more exposed and less saturated. If I add in some saturation and darken the footage, then you can get more or less similar color. However, when it came to the skin tone, there was a bit of difference. Anyway, I'll come back with more reviews on Mavic Mini and I'll see you!